Moaj Elite Refrigerator Filters. Pure refreshment in every glass. Delivering deliciously fresh, clean, crisp, pure water and crystal clear ice. Experience the Moaj difference. Enjoy up to 6 months or 1,500 gallons of great tasting water per filter. NSF 42 certified chlorine removal for better tasting water. Transform your water experience. Easy installation, no tools needed. Moaj filters remove harmful contaminants, including pesticides and herbicides, and they're made in the USA. Moaj, filtration perfected.